Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do this trend right here and from where you can get the effects and filters. So yeah, let's show you how to do it. Even though this is a TikTok trend, you cannot find the filters on the TikTok app. You have to search for them from the Instagram app. So let's go right there. So here, as you can see, I am on my story. So I think you already know how to get here. You just have to click on the plus icon or swipe like this. And let's start with the first filter. So first you want to start with the faux freckle effect. So you want to go to the right to the browse effects and search for faux freckle. This one is the first filter, and then we will start with those goth filters. So first, for freckle, you can search for a random one. This one, it's not that important. You can choose this one. So now let's go back and show you what's important. So from right here, from the browse effects, you want to search for goth doll. So let's search goth doll, and this has to be by Philvilial. Sorry if I spell your name wrong, so sorry for that. So click on this one, and then you have to click on try it, and you have to take some pictures and videos with this filter. And then let's go to the second one. The second one, it's called just like this. Sorry, I cannot spell this correctly. This is also by this girl right here. Then again, you have to click on try it and make some videos and pictures, three pictures in the little video with this filter. So now let's go back and search for the third filter, which is Tommy. Just like this. And the correct one, it's this from Lockvies Solvius. This girl right here. Click on try it, take 3 pictures and a little video. Now let's go back and search for the next one, which is Mahito GGK. And this one has to be from this girl right here. As well, you have to take 3 pictures and a little video. And then you have to search for Rise. So go to the first one, take 3 pictures, try it. Next we have Demon Horn. Also by this girl right here. Click on try it. And then we have Demon Oni. Oni. So it's this one. And then the last one, it's Sukuna. And this one, it's also by that girl, but yeah, right here, this one. So click on try it, take 3 pictures and a little video. So what about the sound? Once you took your 3 pictures and videos, you have to go to your TikTok app. And then the sound, you will find it right here. So just go to the search bar and search for hello. Yeah. Click on the sound and then click on use this sound. So yeah guys, that's it. I showed you from where you can get the sound and what are those filters, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.